Food loss and waste facts. The problem. What is food loss and food waste? According to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, food loss and food waste refer to the decrease in the mass of food intended for human consumption throughout all stages of the supply chain. Food is lost or wasted from the initial production down to the final household consumption. Every year around the globe, 1.3 billion tons of food is lost or wasted. That is 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption. 45% of fruit and vegetables are food losses. Along with roots and tubers, fruit and vegetables have the highest wastage rates of any food product. Almost half of all the fruit and vegetable produced are wasted. 45% of roots and tubers are food losses. In North America and Oceania alone, 5,814,000 tons of roots and tubers are wasted at the consumption stage alone.
I am concerned about the global food loss and waste issue. Over the last 4 years, I've been working at the development of a packaging solution that keeps fresh fruit and vegetables hydrated for longer.
Mother Nature, the best designer.
As product designer, I always wonder how do natural products such as onion, garlic, and corn on the cob manage to keep their interiors moist for such long periods of time.
What features and purposes do the materials of natural packaging have? Corn on the cob is protected by a series of leaves of porous material. The overlapping and porosity of these leaves allow the corn to stay fresh and retain the most water possible for a longer period of time. As such, it creates an environment from which it is very difficult for water to escape. The same happens with other vegetables such as pods. Freshdy. The idea and the product. The conclusion that we can draw from this research project is that thanks to a series of microperforated layers, natural products have the ability to retain water vapor. Consequently, the next step in the project was to find materials in the industrial world that could mimic the characteristics found in these natural materials. The answer we found was the stratification of microperforated BOPP plastic layers that, when applied to the bottom or surface of a bag, managed to retain the water vapor for longer.
This is a Freshdy bag with a multi-layer microperforated bottom. And this is a bag with only one layer of macroperforation currently used by the packaging industry. As you can see, the Freshdy bag retains water for longer in comparison to the standard bag. The same happens when we package fruits and vegetables in Freshdy bags. Hydration lasts longer.
Bell pepper test. Tests were carried out at room temperature using 0.5 kilograms approximately of fresh bell peppers packaged in freshly controlled ventilation bags for 10 days. Likewise, tests were carried out at room temperature using 0.5 kilograms approximately of fresh bell pepper that were packaged in PP bags. The results showed Freshdy bag weight loss equal to minus 3.10% versus standard bag weight loss of minus 14.49%. Bell pepper weight saving over 10 days was 78.60%.
Make Freshdy happen. We need your support to stop food loss and waste. Thank you.